Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint scanner sensor animation on this device. So now let's just see our currently animation. We can see this one. Just to change it, we should go into the settings section and scroll down to the password and security, then click to the fingerprint here. Just draw your pattern or enter the password, and here click to the fingerprint animation. Now just watch this miracles just to come from this available animations. For example, this fireworks. So just let's go to the lock screen, and we can see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.